Welcome back to EDU in 90. Helen here, and on this episode, we'll update you on Screencast, a new lesson plan from Applied Digital Skills, and more. Let's get to it. Let's start with Screencast. Students and teachers using the Screencast app on their Chromebooks can now share recordings to anyone using the new Screencast web player. Screencast uses Chrome OS's built-in text-to-speech transcription to create transcribed recordings and allows users to search, navigate, and translate videos using the transcript. You can now also record your transcript in over a dozen languages beyond English. For more information, check out the link in the video description. Next, we'd like to share a new lesson plan from Applied Digital Skills, created in partnership with NASA. The Create a Travel Brochure for an Exoplanet lesson has students use Google Slides to create a travel brochure to persuade people on Earth to visit an exoplanet. Students will learn about space exploration and how to use persuasive writing to convince people to visit their exoplanet. Finally, we'd like to invite you to participate in a volunteer study to share feedback on Google for Education products. Everyone who participates in a volunteer study will get a gift card or a donation to their favorite charity as a token of our thanks. Check out the video description to learn more. That does it for today's episode, but be sure to subscribe to the Google for Education YouTube channel to stay in the loop for future ones. We'll see you next time.
Check out our last episode to hear all about the new features we've launched for Google Workspace for Education.